Hey guys, I'm showing you some simple hacks to upcycle or just restyle your jeans, especially your skinny jeans, since skinny jeans are kind of going out of style. So watch till the end. You guys are in for some surprises.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So for this look, you guys, this is so simple. Quick hack, some pair of boring old jeans, particularly your cropped jeans that are wide leg. Just grab any type of lace border and put it on the edge of the pant legs. Now, the South Asian in me absolutely loves these mirror type laces, and all I did was I took this mirror lace and I put it on each pant leg at the very end. Simple hack, and instantly I upscaled my jeans. Check it out. Ladies, I wanted to do a 2-in-1 style. I want to make them wide leg. I needed 2 pairs of pants. I went with 2 pants in the shade of black. One actually is a crocodile print style pants. Now my main pants will be the normal jeans, and I use the crocodile pants to form my patches that I will need to put on the inseam. So you need your seam ripper and you need your scissors in order to do this. And first what I did was I cut the pant legs of the crocodile pants using my scissors all the way up to the top. You can use the top part of the pants as a pair of shorts if you like short shorts. And then I used a seam ripper to open up those pant legs as my patch fabric. I wanted the seams to be smooth, that's why I used a seam ripper. Then what I did was I opened up the seams of the black jeans on the middle all the way up to the top. And I opened it up, and what it will do is form a triangle shape because it's skinny jeans. And so I lined up the fabric on the inseam and I made it as wide as possible. So I used pins to pin the fabric in place, and then I sewed it down. Next, I adjusted the length, so I just cut the bottom of the jeans, and I wanted to create a frayed pattern, so I took out individual fabrics at the hem part of the pants, and it takes a little bit of time. So as you can see, it's got this really cool chick look now with the frayed edges of these pants. Now I've gone from skinny jeans to slightly straight leg and a little bit wider, and these are really cute. You can wear these with boots too, but I've styled them with my full Gucci head to toe. I have my GG mules with a heel. I have my jumbo print GG mini canvas bag, and of course my Gucci silk dress shirt, which is actually a long dress shirt, but I folded it up so that it formed a crop style. And I have my Gucci floral belt. I hope you guys love this look. Check it out. A new, revamped, restyled pair of pants that are totally in fashion. We are taking runway fashion to the streets. And here's the next set of how I repurposed my skinny jeans. Check it out, guys. So I started with my dark blue skinny jeans, and I had another pair of dark blue jeans. And what I did was I cut some fabric off of one side of the pants, and I used that to create a pleated trim, which I then attached to the bottom of the pants. Of course, I cut them a little bit in the length so that it was more of a cropped style. So as you can see here is the tulip style pants, the finished look of these jeans. So that's the first way I repurposed my skinny jeans. Now here's the second way. Check it out, you guys. This was so fun to do, and the final result was absolutely amazing. I created my own Gucci Adidas wide leg cropped pants. So what I had to do was I used the fabric that was left over from the other pair of jeans that I used to make the ruffles at the bottom of the jeans. So I used the remaining fabric, I cut it off, and I placed a panel on the inside leg of the jeans, and this allowed it to open up a little bit. Again, it forms like this V shape on the inside. And then I took my Adidas tracksuit, and then I just ripped the seams using a blade. I took the Adidas 3 stripes off the side and I put that on as a panel sewed in to the outside of the jeans, which made it much more wider And so now I have cropped wide leg jeans. I just hemmed the bottoms to the size of the actual 3 stripes. And then I had an Adidas iron-on patch and a Gucci iron-on patch, and I just put those together to create the new Adidas Gucci collab patch on my jeans. And now voila, you guys, I have an Adidas Gucci outfit. I styled these pants with my gray Gucci Adidas sweater, and I have a pair of white stiletto boots, and I finished off the look with my Gucci Blondie bag. I hope you loved this look. This was a lot of fun to do, you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.